Hey, I'm Aaron, and today from our Fort Lee store, I'll be showing you how to remove a trunk lid from a 2006 Chevy Cobalt. All you need for this job is a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. First step would be to remove the wire harness from the trunk. Once all the plugs are undone and the tabs are taken out, just slide the wire harness out. Next would be to remove the head shocks from both sides. And as soon as the head shocks are removed, use your 10mm and your ratchet to remove the two bolts. Once your 4 bolts are out, just slowly remove the trunk lid, and there you go. Thanks for watching. I'm Aaron from our Fort Lee location. Don't forget to come out here and check out our car and truck inventory.